Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to jump a Nissan Altima Hybrid easy method. Position both cars nose to nose with adequate space, switch both ignitions off, and open the hood. Locate the hybrid service plug and the 12V battery and confirm they are accessible. Keep clear of high-voltage orange wiring and only touch the designated jump points. Use insulated gloves if available and have a helper spot hazards. Warm up your confidence while I walk you through locating the correct jump points on a Nissan Altima Hybrid. First, identify the 12V battery and any manufacturer-marked auxiliary jump terminal under the hood. Do not confuse these with orange high-voltage lines; those are part of the hybrid system. Gently clean the terminal surfaces if needed and ensure clamps will make firm contact. Safety first and take your time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical how-tos. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, a fun side read while you wait for a charged battery. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Start the cable connection calmly and methodically to avoid sparks or mistakes. Attach the red clamp to the donor vehicle's positive terminal, then the red clamp to the Altima Hybrid's positive jump point. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal and the final black clamp to an unpainted metal chassis ground on the Altima, away from the battery. Double-check each clamp is secure before starting the donor vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.